Good morning, friends. Welcome in the today's topic, solution quickly. Whatever the example is displayed on the board, we need to calculate this particular example or solve this example. You can solve by the normal method also, but we will calculate this large number calculations by the shortcut trick because you have to minimize the time in the exam hall. Otherwise, we will be lagging behind in the solutions of the problem. So, I will be dealing here about how to solve this type of problem. So, very easy and shortcut method I am going to tell you. We have to listen carefully and follow these steps with me. So, it is better understanding for you peoples. Okay, whenever the problem is given to you, first you need to repeat this number at the new position 945865. Now, in the addition with this number, we need to add, we need to add, we need to add 10 to the all numbers. Write down the 10 to the all numbers. Okay, now okay, now whatever the number is given to you from the now my number will become 9458650. Now the original number you have to subtract. Now the next is you have to subtract. So I am writing over here. This is the minus. Minus I am highlighting with this thing. Minus you have to, but the original number, that is the 945865. Now we have to operate with the help of the minus. Minus whenever we are going to do the minus, and now it's very simple. We have to minus the term, that is 0 is becomes 10 and minus 5. Likewise, we have to do the calculation. This is nothing but 8. This is 7. Now this is 2. This is 1. Now this is 5. At last it is 8. Now this will become your answer. Kindly cross my answer with the normal multiplication method by using the calculator and all. In this particular example, we will going to save our time at large because it is a very simple and very useful trick while calculating this particular problem. Now I will tackle the next example over here for your more understanding. The example number 2 will going to solve. Now if I am talking about the 9 9 double 9 9 multiplied by 9. If we are going to have the all numbers multiplied by the 9, so how we are going to solve? The very first step I am going to tell you over here, in this particular equation we need to add 0 at a place, 0 at a place. Write down the original number with the minus sign, with the minus sign. Now apply the operation. Now it would be, now it is like the equation will become like 1 9 9 9 9 8. This is the answer. Follow these steps and get the answer. Now at the home you have to try by your own. I am giving you some examples over here. Write down the 47, 98, 34 multiplied by 9. You need to calculate. Homework. One more additional example you have to solve. 7, 777 multiplied by 9. You just practice it. Now after this we'll discuss about we have discussed about the multiplication of the large number by the 5. Now currently we have discussed in this video multiplication by the 9, but now we can move towards the large number multiplication by the 5. For example, say for example the given equation like 982 982 984 multiplied by 5. When you are looking at this particular equation, it is by the physical manner you can, if you are going to multiply this particular values, so you definitely you will taking the some more time as compared to the trick which I am going to tell you. Whenever the problem like this is arises in front of you, we have to go for very important we have to add this particular thing. I just wanted to tell you this particular technique. Just subscribe my channel for the daily updates. Okay, now whenever the problem will like this, so we have to divide by 2. Whole equation you need to divide by 2. Ab here how to divide, again I am going to tell you the one particular technique. Write down the first 3 digits in this manner. Okay, got it? Now I have to divide it by 2 and identify the odd number. Here it is the odd number. We'll make it the first. You need to identify the odd number. We have to make this as an even number, means this will become 8. Now this we have the one remaining carry. We have to carry it. It will become 18. Now this is 2. Now all the numbers will become as a even number. Now you have to divide. Is 8 by 2 4, 18 by 2 9, 2 by 2 1. This is over. Any problem with this? No. Then write down the second pair. This is the pair I am writing over here is 9 8 2. What is our method? Just make this number as odd numbers. Odd number is -1. Drop it by 1. It is 8. It is 18. It is 2. This is again 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Again repeat the number. This is the last number I am taking over here. This is 984. What is our method? Make it even number. Go for this particular number is by 8. Write down over here is 8. It is again 18. This is 4. Now it is 8 by 2 is equal to, always is 4, is 18 by 2 is the 9, and it is 2. Now this is the all numbers will got by this method. If we want the answer, we have to add. We have to add plus. Add always 0 at the last. Always at the 0 last. This will become my answer. If you are going to write down this value, this is nothing but 491 492 0 is my complete answer. If it is not clear to you, I will take the next example also. Next example, you can write down here 62849246 multiplied by 5 is equal to, we want to find out the number. Now I am again going to have this equation like that. I will already told you all the numbers we have to go by the division. Here we can apply the operation that is divided by 2. This 6, 3, 2, 1, 8, 4, 4, 2. Here it is the odd number, so I will make it, first I will make it the 8 and drop it by, this is nothing but now 4. Here it will become 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. It is 2. It is 3. Now add the 0. When I got it at 0, this is my answer. This is my answer. Now try at your home. The second example is 8496 84 456 multiplied by 5. Then again you have to write down. Try. If you are not trying this particular thing, then you will not got this particular technique. This is 42, 97, 626, 55, 8 into 5. Answer. You need to find out this particular answer in the homework. Now switch over to the next multiplication. If we are talking about the multiplication, and we have again this parameter, that is the 11. If I am talking about the multiplication by the 11 number example I am taking over here. This, if suppose the 2 7 6 9 is given to you and you are asked to solve or multiply by this number, so what is the value? Many times this question is asked. Okay, now how to solve it? Here we can apply the different type of technique. Last time we have done it in a very easier manner, but a little bit you can understand the how to solve this particular problem. Whenever you are coming across this type of problem, so first you need to identify the most right hand side value. We can say here is the right hand side value you need to calculate or you need to write down over here. How we are going to write down? In the answer also you just have to write down is equal to 9, as it is in answer. I am making the answer over here also. This value I am taking is 9. Okay. Now whenever we are talking about the another values, another number, you just need to have this number in the repetition over here and identify the second number. 6, we have to plus it. This will coming across 15. Now 15 we have to write down 5 and take carry is 1. 1 is the carry and in the answer we have written is 5. In the next, what you have to do? You have to do the identify the another number. Another number means that first we have taken in addition this number, Now go for this number. This is nothing but 7 plus 6. This is, and the carry we have 1, so that take the carry over here 7. Now it is 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 1 is the 14. Now take the 4 and carry 1. Write down the 4 over here. Now at last we have only the 2 digits as the last digit. Mark these 2 digits and have the plus sign. It's 2 plus 7. 1 carry we have here. This is the carry. Forward it. Now whenever we are going to calculate this type of thing, you have to plus this value is 9 plus 10 is 2 plus 7, 9 plus. Now you got the process till now. Now we have the 7 plus 2, 9 and 10. 10 you need to again you have to take the carry because we cannot end the process because the last number is over the 2. Now here we have the value like so we have to write 0 and carry you have to take 1. Okay, now 0 I am writing here in the answer. At the top I have written the 0 answer over here. This is the 0 I have written over here. Now at the last you need to have or remember the very important parameter. We have started with the RHS and the now we have to write the LHS value. Most LHS left hand side number, which is in the problem. If I am supposed to say the problem most left hand side number, you have to identify over here it is 2. This is the 2. Okay, now in the LHS we have to write this is 2 left hand side number plus carry 1, this come around 3. Now the all my numbers are over. Now this 3 I have to take in the up in the answer. This is the 3. Now my answer is 30459. I have started with the RHS and ended at the LHS. What we have to do? First we have to identify the RHS number, then the rest of the things we have to plus in the pair, the first pair, then the second pair, then the third pair, and we have to end the all our calculation at the LHS number plus with the carry 3. This is the method for the calculation or the simplification of the multiplication of the large number by the 11 and all. We have to you have to go for these particular numbers. If you want to practice it, you have to go for this number 1 2 3 4 is multiplied by 11, find out the number, then 4739 multiplied by 11, you have to calculate it. Please like, share and the comment. If you need any explanation more, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Keep watching me. Thanks a lot.